claim with my insurance to fix my vehicle, or do I file a claim with the at-fault party's insurance to fix my vehicle? That's a question that I'm often asked at the beginning of my car accident cases. And I'm going to walk you through the decision-making process, and I'm going to tell you what I recommend to my clients. Okay, so if you're in a situation where you're able to exchange information with the other driver, meaning you have the other driver's name, address, phone, and their insurance information, that's going to change the decision-making process, because that means that you can make a claim with the insurance company covering that fault driver immediately after the wreck. But if you're in one of those situations where an investigating officer, police officer went to the scene, they gathered information from each party separately, and they didn't exchange that information, and they tell you, we will issue a crash report, and all of the information that you need will be on that crash report, well, that again changes the decision-making process, because what that means is that you now have to wait possibly up to 10 to 14 days before you get that crash report and you have the information, insurance information on the at-fault party. So when I have a client that's in that situation, if they have collision coverage through their own insurance company, then I say, hey, let's start the claim with your company, because we can make that claim right now, meaning that we can start the process of repairing your vehicle or replacing your vehicle right now, not 10 to 14 days later. And I know what you're thinking, because I hear it all the time, but wait a minute, if I do that, if they have to pay for my vehicle, that's going to look bad on me, and my insurance premiums are going to go up. Well, I want to tell you two things. First of all, the wreck is not your fault, so it shouldn't be held against you. Second of all, don't worry about your insurance company. They're not going to be out any money. What they're going to do after they take care of you as their customer, they're going to go to the insurance company covering the at-fault party, and they're going to ask to be paid back whatever they have to pay on your behalf. We call that a subrogation claim. So they won't be out any money, right? And I know what you're thinking now, because I hear this also often. What about my deductible? Well, deductible will be paid back to you. It's either going to be collected by your own insurance company when they seek to be paid back by the at-fault party's insurance carrier, or if that doesn't work, then just tell your attorney. Say, hey, I've not received that deductible, and your attorney will ensure that that deductible is paid back to you. So honestly, I always recommend to my clients, start with your insurance company. There are benefits that I've just reviewed, plus they will treat you better than the at-fault party's insurance company. If you are lost as to what to do, feel free to give us a call. We're glad to walk you through the process or just talk it out with you. I hope that's been helpful. I look forward to talking to you again real soon. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.